So I was wondering if stuff in Minecraft could be infinite. The answer is yes. Here's an example. Let's take this miner right here. He wants to know how many diamonds he could find and what's the maximum amount he could find. The answer is infinite. Diamonds can spawn from a range of 1 to 8, but they have a chance to spawn together. And then that has another chance of diamonds, and then they could just infinitely spawn on top of each other. Let's do another example. Let's throw those away. Let's take trees. Y'all know how to make trees in Minecraft. And you might be thinking, they're always the same size. Well, most of the time. And how could they be infinite? And this is how you can make an infinite tree. Okay, well, that's the biggest tree. Let's take this tree for an example. It's pretty big, right? Yes. Let's add dirt. Now you have an even bigger tree. It doesn't look that appealing, but it's still an infinite tree. Even though they're separate trees, it adds up to one giant tree. And that can go as long as you want. And if you're just gonna say, oh, well, maximum height, look at this. Now you could expand to the sides, and Minecraft world is basically infinite. Infinite tree. And here is a moose house. But the main thing for this video is this. You probably saw it before, but let me explain it. What is the maximum you could build in Minecraft? Infinite. Well, not really, because of height and stuff. But this, we're going to use black for an example, because I don't know. Basic is, this is the smallest thing that you could get that is colored black. That can be placeable. Not including the new nether update, Blackstone, because we're not in that. This is basic. This is 16 times that. And the way I got that is I use snow, which is double the height of that. That's actually a angle. Double the height. And it takes 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 8 times 2 is 16. So 16 of that makes this. Then we're going on to 64. So we used 8 of these inside. 8. And then you multiply that by this. You multiply it by 4, and you get that. We're not counting the blocks inside. We're counting just like this first row. I just decided to make it a cube because why not? This is 256 times the face of that. This is 1024. There's no way I'm building that far back. So, yeah. But this is what 1024 looks like. And basically it's that plus 8 plus 8, 8, 8. It's that times 4 up. This is, unfortunately, where we reach the limit. That plus 4 does not equal that. That plus 2 equals that. This could go so much higher and so much further, but I could only build as high as I can, and the lag would be insane. But, supposing we did go that far, this would be the exact amount that it would take. 4,096. And then, what would happen if we kept building? Well, that would mean that we would need a chunk thing. You know that chunk. But you know those chunks thing? And it makes the chunks much bigger. This will go to 16,384. And then that will go to 65,536. Then that will go to 262,000, then 1 million, then 4 million, then like over 17 million, 70 million, 200 million, and now we're in the billions. There's no way I am placing 1 billion blocks times another billion blocks. So that would be a billion to the billionth power, which equals this number. One septillion. I'm not placing that many blocks. And that would only be at 11 times. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it taught you that anything is infinite except for building. And, well, I guess I have to build one septillion now. So I'll get back to you when I do that. Goodbye.